And welcome to David Zimaleta. Today I'm at Charlotte Douglas International Airport and I'm getting ready to travel to Mexico. There's my car right there. So I'm here and I'm gonna be using a daily parking because it's gonna be like a 2-day trip. Outside of the elevator and going down. Check it out, guys. We will be having some fun. I'm gonna be doing some traveling and recording my trips for you guys. Maybe it's gonna be the elevator that I got off, and there's stairs. I gotta make it to the airport. Shuttle bus pickup, and that's where I'm gonna go. Take me closer to the airport. Well, guys, I am here. The shuttle took me exactly where we need to go. It probably took like 3 minutes to get here. You've seen the drive. So now I just gotta get inside the airport. There's the airport back there. And I'm walking in. This is where the baggage claim is. Guys, I'm heading up for departure. So it's an escalator and I'm walking. But it's real cool, this place, guys. It's a huge airport, Charlotte Douglas. I'm at the departure type of area. I gotta go check in at United, which is back there, but I got a little bit of time, so I'm gonna head over to the outside of the airport and show you what that departure outside looks like. So the cars are like way departing, arriving to the airport. That's actually where you're gonna come to, right there. And you're just gonna walk straight on over here. It used to be this area, but looks like they got construction, so they changed it around. So now it's that other side. Seems like they're building another one over here. Guys, I'm actually headed now to my place where I could actually get on my United Airlines and fly. Heading to United. Cool. Some Delta airplanes. Looks like United is here. Hopefully they could help me. Everything's situated. I have my tickets, my assigned seat. I'm basically standing at my gate, which is right there, boarding United. I have about an hour before the flight begins, so there's a Panera bread. This is the last time before I actually get to eat. So I'm actually going to be flying to Houston today, and then from there, I got a flight to Mexico. So this is my boarding area right here. Nothing interesting, but that's what it looks like. There's no place for me to sit down. I'll have to probably eat somewhere else. All the tables are taken up. Sit like right here. Soup in a bread bowl, but this time I don't feel like really pouring the soup there and actually doing it. So I'm just gonna have to eat the soup by itself and use the bread the normal way. Broccoli and cheddar soup. For those of you guys that don't know, Panera has this soup where you have a bread bowl and you just pour your soup right in here and you just eat it. It's pretty fun. My soup, I just got the bread left. It's a good thing that I didn't pour my soup in there. I really don't feel like eating that much. 30 minutes to go, guys. That is really beautiful display. It just keeps changing from one thing to the next. And they have it on both sides. That is my plane. It is there. So they're going to be boarding kind of soon. There it is, it's being announced. Boarding is going to begin probably 5 minutes sooner, which is great. So Anyways, if you guys are flying for the first time and if you have like sky miles, you could actually claim it back there, which that's exactly what I just did. Guys, I'm getting ready to board the aircraft. Let's take a look what it looks like in front. Hi, how you doing?
Oh, you were here?
I'm in the plane. I'm at my seat. Looks like I didn't get lucky. I don't have the window seat, but take a look at the plane wing and the baggage claim. Pretty cool.
Nossa, questão eu da
Alright guys, I'm gonna be flying and I'll see you guys when we land. The plane is getting ready to take off.
Follow along. Card found in his pocket. Seatbelt is fastened in the side. Fasten, slide the metal edge into the buckle. Adjust by pulling on the loose end of the strap. And lift up on the buckle to release. It is our policy to seatbelt fasten at all times while there are two doors in the front of the aircraft. The doors for which is entered on the left and the galley service door located on the right. There are two doors and exits, one on each side of the aircraft. These locations direct to the steering wheel. Keep in mind that the rear section is behind you. All exits are equipped with a swingable slide, which can be detached from the aircraft and used as a location device. This aircraft has aisle path lighting, and in the event of an evacuation, the aisle lighting or exit sign will indicate your reach and exit. A map will appear in the compartment located above your seat. Pull the yellow map from the left. Then pull the map to your feet. Push it over your seat belt and secure it with the alarm. Stay on the seat belt to keep the plastic wing out of place. If someone is resistant, put your mask on first, then offer assistance. This aircraft is equipped with light vests, which are located on your seat. Please check your information card on the details of the helmet vest. Remove the light vest from helmet by pulling the tab on the couch. Pull the vest over your head and fasten it by inserting the end of the strap into the clip on the front of the vest. Secure the strap to be held around your waist and pulling on the loose end. Now inflate your vest until you reach the aircraft. Vest can be inflated by pulling down on the tab on the front of the vest. It can also be inflated by blowing into the seat at shoulder level. A light on the vest will automatically activate in the warning. Your seat cushion can also be used as a flotation device. If needed, remove the cushion, pull it close to your chest, and insert your arm through the strap. If you are traveling with infants, infant light vests are located in the last overhead compartment. Use of the seat cushion and infant light vest is illustrated on the safety information card. Industry regulations make it a non-smoking flight. Federal law prohibits smoking and the use of e-cigarettes in the cabin and lavatory. The lavatory is equipped with a smoke detection system, and federal law prohibits tampering with, fingering, or destroying this system. No smoking and fasten seatbelt signs are located throughout the cabin. Federal regulations require that passengers wear seat signs, lights, and comply with all safety practices and in preparation for takeoff, please ensure your seatbelts are fastened to lower tight. Personal items should be stowed in your seat back from safety, both legs, and aisle lock.
Guys, we're about to take off. Let's take a look
customers more destinations than any other alliance in the world. About approved category devices can be found in the complimentary copy of Cable Gear magazine located in your key packet. In a few minutes, we'll be serving a variety of complimentary beverages and snacks.
Experience such heightened frenzy among both builders and buyers. Nevertheless, irrational exuberance fueled the manic moods and mindsets of property buyers and borrowers throughout much of the United States and other countries, though, during the boom of late,
the bathroom. This is where you lock it. It is a very, very cramped space. Here's a toilet, like a handlebar in case you get like seasick. There's a place for cigarettes, but this is not a flight, you know, that you could smoke. There's obviously some stuff that you could put on the seat. And here as well, looks like there's some air, toilet paper, and a sink. Looks like somebody put some paper in this one. Obviously some soap and the mirror. Guys, do not flush while sitting on the toilet. So something to note for sure, but this is where you flush. Smoking sign is lit, indicating you can't blow smoke. And about the size, as you can see, I cannot even extend my elbows to the location. So some of you guys that are RVers, you really don't need much space for a bathroom. And technically you can see like I'm 5'8.5". It's pretty much about my height. So good luck to you guys 6.5 feet tall. We are experiencing some turbulence. Trying to keep the phone up. It's actually a little bit of a challenge because it actually wants to pull everything down. The wing there. What's it doing? And we are at the airport. Kind of see some other planes here. So I think we're just gonna have to wait over here till we go closer. We have pulled up to the runway, this where you exit. So we're parking now. And there's another United Express airline. That's about the kind that we are in. It's not that large. It's kind of tiny. Right, safely and securely. The airplane is nice and windy here, and you can see the plane right behind it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit a like if you did. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other flight reviews and hotel reviews and car reviews. Uber reviews.
Oh, I gotta get a picture now. Excuse me.
This is like Houston Airport. Kind of like behind where the actual plane